you're facing verification issues on Snapchat after multiple failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues during the verification process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Go to your device's app store, search for Snapchat, and update it if an update is available. This can fix bugs that may be causing verification issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary data issues. Go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and try the verification process again. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Visit the Snapchat support website, explain your issue in detail, and follow their instructions to get help with your verification problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Snapchat. If problems persist, staying in touch with Snapchat support is your best option.